So, there's this company, Linkspreed, and they're taking a billion-dollar gamble on a whole new internet. And they're asking a question we should all think about. Do you actually own your digital life?
They believe our current internet is controlled by just a few giants. Their answer? Build a new one. Their big idea is Web4, a decentralized internet where you, the user, are actually in charge.
So instead of just renting your online space, you'd actually own it. That's the core difference. Building a new internet is a massive task, right? Well, here's how they're tackling it.
It all starts with three key things: a universal ID, tools for building communities, and new infrastructure.
Their big hook? You can literally build a social network in 30 seconds. Just type what you want.
And they're targeting specific groups: creators, businesses, and gamers, all on this Web4 foundation.
But how is a tiny startup paying for all this? Well, here's the twist.
Believe it or not, the entire core team is just 4 people. That's it. And even crazier, they haven't taken a single dollar from investors. 0. Their secret weapon is a unique sales model. They rely on partners instead of venture capitalists. These partners get a huge 40% cut, which fuels the growth they need to build everything. But this high-risk strategy means they're in a constant race to build before the money runs out.
You know those big internet outages we've seen? That's exactly the problem they're trying to solve. And their ultimate solution is Project Arctic, a new decentralized backbone to stop those failures.
This puts them on a collision course with some of the biggest platforms in the world. Right now, they've got a huge feature gap to close against giants like Discord. Can they do it?
You've got a clear vision and a smart sales model, but being unfunded with a tiny team is tough.
The whole game is whether their sales engine can bring in cash faster than building Arctic burns it. This whole thing is a classic high-risk, high-reward bet on what's next for the internet. And just look at their timeline. They are moving at an absolutely breakneck pace. So the final question is pretty simple. Can this tiny, unfunded team actually pull this off?
In the end, their message is a challenge to all of us and to the entire tech world.